Hey guys, Leslie here, unboxing my 2023 Happy Planner. I bought the 12-month vertical layout. I picked this up at Michael's a couple months ago, actually. I love the light pink discs. I love the flowers. There's some rose gold foiling on the cover, which for Erin Condren, you'd probably have to pay extra. This is stuck to the front. Okay, so I wanted this in the picture for my thumbnail. So I want to not completely mess it up. Okay. So that's what the full cover looks like. There's like a mothy looking butterfly, a dragonfly, and then a bunch of flowers. So that's really fun. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Oh yeah, I knew that. Okay, so I took this plastic thing off. I highly suggest that you save it and trim this off because that's a free planner tab right there. A full one, or you can cut it into smaller ones and stick it to whatever you want, and utilize that plastic, because or else it's just going, in the trash. All right, this plastic, however, is just very useless. Very useless. Okay. They say, welcome to the vertical layout, blah, 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 keep appointments, follow social media. All right, I love this page. It says hello in a very scripty font. It has the flowers in the corners. It says plan a happy life 2023. It has a spot for me to put my name sticker, so I need to make another name vinyl because I want one in both of them, and custom word vinyls for the 2023 font are going to be available Friday, December 30th. I think this might be going up on the 31st, so we'll see. All right, here's our month at a glance. It says set your goals, so you can kind of like list them maybe for the year, for this year, and it says like to plan your goals for 2024 as well, so who knows. All right, I love the polka dots here, and then it goes stripes here. You can utilize this for being grateful for something every day. You can utilize this for birthdays, or events that you like want to put in your spreads eventually. That works really well. But putting birthdays down, kind of your month at a glance. Okay, this is like your currently page. You have kind of graph paper right here, lines, and it says priorities and goals. This one says important dates, and then it has some listed for you: New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, and Lunar New Year, which is why my freebie this week is a bunny. It's the year of the rabbit. All right, this one says let love bloom, which I feel like would have been better on February. It's gold foil, or rose gold foiled. And then, okay, there it is. January 13th, National Sticker Day. Yay. And then it has notes, just lines over here. Pretty simple. Polka dots in the center. I like how neutral it is. Not a huge gap of space right here. I'm wondering if Happy Planner monthly kits are going to need to be updated if shops make those. All right, these look pretty much the same as they always do. You have the dot grid up here, and then you have the kind of list right here. I'm trying to think, where is my current Happy Planner? It's by my desk because I was playing in it. My other desk. We just went over this. Okay, I'm not going to flip through each week, so let's skip to February. See, it says just begin. See, I was right. This should be in January because it's just begin the year. Am I right? And then the let love one should be in February. What were they thinking? I don't know. I wasn't at that meeting. All right. Jokes. I don't work for Happy Planner. So there's your currently page. It has Valentine's Day and President's Day listed. Any other holidays? Mardi Gras and Ash Wednesday they put in the spread, but they didn't list in the important dates. Go figure that one. I don't really know. Wasn't at that meeting either. All right, here's our weekly spread. It has the lines right here. I think it always has the lines. Nope. So January, wait, hold on. Yeah, January I had dots. February I have lines. See? See, Erin Condren? See what they do? They do Jan/Feb. This has been my only request. I need to drink my coffee. That has been a huge request of mine. Yay. They listen to me. Oh, this is beautiful. This looks just like the cover, only without foiling. There's your currently page. It has daylight savings time. Is that still, isn't that going to be passed? We'll see. All right, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. Maybe it's next November we don't fall back. We spring forward one more time. All right, there's a lot more other days on this than what's down there. Because they have spring begins. Ramadan. Yeah, that was not over there. Purim, I think that's how you say it. And then it has Holy, and then it has International Women's Day, which was not in there. All right, and then this one we go back to dots. Look what they did. Look what they did. See, it's possible. All right, April. Good days are coming. I like that because April showers. People don't like rain or something. All right, they put 4 dates over here. Let's see. There's more in the spread. They put Palm Sunday over here, but not in the list. This is so odd. Why would you do that? And then everything else. They didn't put this one down. Eid al-Fitr. I'm trying to remember how to say it. All right, and then here is April. They went back to lines. All right, and then May. Ooh, look how pretty May is. It has the dragonfly and the butterfly. It's like a butterfly moth. All right, there's your currently page. They said there's only 2 important dates in May. Maybe it's to leave you more space for your dates, and that's why they didn't put every single one. They put Mother's Day and Memorial Day, which that is all there is in this one, so they got that one right. All right, June. It says, let your joy burst forth like flowers in the spring. But June is the first month of summer. What are they doing? Where are the proofreaders for this planner? Because they've mixed up January and February, in my opinion. And now June, this is a quote that should have been in May. May flowers, right? I mean, at least in the Northern Hemisphere. Okay. Just saying. All right, they have important dates. They put Father's Day and Juneteenth, and then Father's Day, Juneteenth, summer begins, and then Pride Day, and then it also has something else begins at sundown. I'm not going to butcher that one. And then this one has lines again. See, they can do it. All right, July says, believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Okay, that's good. All right, July 4th, they put Independence Day. They did put Canada Day in over here, but not in the important dates list. And then they have another one, Muharram, I think that's how you say it, and Ashura begins at sundown. Okay, there's some of those. All right, we have polka dots on this one. Oh, yay, my birthday is not the same week as 4th of July. I'm so excited. Because then I can do a birthday week, and because sometimes I go, okay, I'm going to do a birthday spread in this planner, and I'm going to do a 4th of July spread in this planner, so I don't have to do that. Yay. Okay. Then we have August, let your heart be your guide. I don't mind that one because the school year starts, so it's like to feel it in your like heart on where this year is going to go. I don't know. I'm good with that. I'm good with that one. All right, September, reach for your dreams. Also something that I feel like could be a January quote. But also some people don't start school until September. So I think it fits. I think it fits. I'll let that one go. All right, we've got some rose gold foiling on this page. We have 4 important dates on this one. And 1, 2, 3. They have autumn begins. They added that one. And then we have September, polka dots. And then October, like, ooh, a quote. Okay. Like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places you never thought you would. Evie Regina. Who is Evie Regina? Why do I not know this name? Evie Regina. Evie Regina. Is she an author, an artist? Who is this? Poet. She's a poet. Okay. Yeah, she's a poet. That's what I got. I'm not doing a deep dive right now. She's a poet. All right, moving on. We have Indigenous Peoples Day, and then we have Halloween. They did it. They took out Columbus Day. Yay. Save me some whiteout. All right, World Mental Health Day. They added that one. Okay, we're back to stripes on this one. November. The best of days. November is not always a good month for me, actually, historically. But that's personal. So that doesn't apply to theirs. All right, Daylight Savings Times ends. That's the one where I'm not sure they're doing that. Veterans Day, Thanksgiving is what they put. They did put in Dia de los Muertos, and they did put All Saints Day and All Souls Day in. They put Diwali in, World Kindness Day, and I think Election Day. That's for the U.S. All right, back to polka dots for November, jumping to December. Let's see. Give yourself the same care and attention that you give to others and watch yourself bloom. I think that's good because I feel like December, we are in a good way focused on others and giving, but at the same time, it's like you need to make sure you're also taking care of yourself because it's a busy month and it's stressful. Okay, Hanukkah begins Christmas Eve, Christmas, Kwanzaa, and New Year's Eve. They have listed over here. And then in the spread, we added Winter Begins, and I think that's it. I think everything else is already on there. All right, and then we have stripes again. Aren't we just on stripes? No, it's been going polka dot stripes, polka dot stripes. Okay, flip to the very end. Usually there's some kind of notes page. So this is the spread. I always end up, okay. So we are finally at a year where I will decorate the last spread in my planner in 2023 because New Year's Day is on a Monday and that starts my new planner for the next year. So this planner will get fully stickered out, man. I just realized that that's exciting because I just went over how I was in my Erin Condren and I was like, yeah, I always jump to the new planner because there's a New Year's Day in it. So it's going to the new one. This notes page is gorgeous. I want 50 sheets of this. Beautiful. Love that corner. It's like I laid some floral stickers down in the corner. Okay, we have our dot grid on the inside there. It says plan a happy life. And then the back is always pretty much the same as the front. I can peel this off. There you go. Okay, so that's what the back looks like. No foiling on that side, just the front cover. So that is my 2023 planner. I feel like this is the only time you really see the covers. Oh, there's some washi stuff to my arm. It's fine. So this one has 2023 on it, so I won't need to put a sticker on there, but I did cut a custom 2023 sticker for my Erin Condren to put it on the cover of that one. So if your planner doesn't say it, maybe you can order a custom sticker. So the link to my shop is in my description box if you're new to my channel and you just happen to see this unboxing. The link to my Etsy shop and Instagram and all of that stuff are in the description box. Join me for more plan with me's in this planner and in my Erin Condren. I haven't added another planner. We shall see. So thank you guys so much, and I wish you a very happy 2023. Bye, guys.